don't tell Mom yet.
I know, it's a surprise.
Mom is sleeping.
10, 15, 20. That's all the money we have, Jack. Only $20? Count it again. 18, 19, 20. Oh no, you were right. See, we only have $20. Remember this necklace? Mom really loved it at the gift shop.
Yes, let's buy it for her. She'll be so happy.
Wait, Jack. The necklace cost $30. But we only have 20. We still need 10 more dollars. Come on, little piggy. Just one more dollar, please? Jack, it's empty. Shaking it won't make money appear. Wait! Let's ask Dad for help. Good idea! Let's find him, Dad. Dad, are you home? He's still at work, Jack. We can't buy Mom's gift now. Don't give up. We'll find a way.
Emma, look, a box fell. The driver didn't see it.
Oh no, I still have so many boxes. These boxes are heavy and I'm all alone.
Emma, let's help him. Maybe we can earn $10. You think he'll pay us? But Jack, what if he says no? We can still offer to help. Jack, wait for me! Come on! Let's go help him! Excuse me, sir. Can we talk to you?
Of course. What is it, kids?
Sir, do you need some help with these boxes?
You two want to help me?
Yes! Don't worry, I'm very strong. Well, maybe a little strong.
All right. You can carry the small boxes.
Deal, we can do that.
This looks easy. I can lift it. Whoa, it's heavy. Jack, be careful. Let's carry it together.
Okay, 1, 2, lift.
How many boxes are left? Don't look behind you. Oh no, there are so many. Come on, strong boy. We're almost done, Emma. Keep going. Just a few more. The last box. Finally, let's do this.
You two did a wonderful job. Thank you.
We were happy to help.
You earned this.
$10? Really? Emma, it's exactly $10. Now we can buy Mom's gift. It's for our mom. We want to surprise her. She does everything for us.
Your mom is lucky to have you two.
Thank you, sir. Hurry, Emma! The shop is still open! I'm coming! Let's get Mom's gift! There it is! That's the necklace! A beautiful choice. Thank you. Mom will love it.
I'm sure she will. Shh, don't tell Mom yet.
I know, it's a surprise.
Mom is sleeping.
Mom, wake up! We have a surprise. A surprise? For me?
Mom, this is for you.
For me? Oh, sweetheart. You bought this for me?
Yes, open it, Mom. We hope you like it.
Oh, it's beautiful. I can't believe you did this. I love it. It's absolutely perfect. Thank you, my loves. You two are my greatest gift.